Ukani go batare county ya Nyamira litukulia lero maga yumura wiki ya makepa Stephen Kalonzo msioka kumutaro mubunge obora bubeni mumanyi asali litukulia lero amo onechinse mochinde muliki tukurase county ya Nyamira jobu mange na roboti urwasenchera yobwikirano.
Ime county ya Nyamira omubunge obora bubeni mumanyi oyura livyeganga yaye enene yokurwanira obugavana bwe county ya Nyamira naligania ekiombe kia oka ekugekora uno mosike Stephen Kalonzo msioka
hapa nyumbani vizuri. Tulikuwa tunapita lakini nikamwambia wacha tuanguze ndege.
Ekero argo kwa na asensemo ya borabu Kalonzo na mwakera beni mumanyi ekoko una omurai orachi koreta amagenderero.
And I can tell you as his party leader, I wish Ben Momanyi well as he goes for the gubernatorial seat of Nyamira County. I'm sure given that opportunity, the people of Nyamira will be acclaiming. In terms of openness, of leadership, yani simple person, I'm told ukitaka kujua kama Ben ameingia constituency, unaanza kujua wakiwa Kaplong. Bodabodas watu ukiona hakuna.
Kalonzo nateba nabangete gotarere county ya Nyamira wangoiga erinde gochikora lichisera cyabo asaba menyi banyamira nateba tabwati bo bayigoro kigabana cyabo kamba abo bakorali omurai bo ODM Raila Odinga.
None of them is running for president. So I don't even know how you bring their names in, because those are people working for Baba. And we wish them well, it is their constitutional right. Yeah. Two of them wanted to run for president. They are postponed or trashed it. One of them, Sister Governor Gilu, probably wants to be elected in Kisii County. She has to talk to me.
Korwase county ya Nyamira ginko reporteria Ndizi TV eretariane Job Maangi.